Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie and this is my husband Garrett.
Hey everybody.
Back in 2021, we sold our home and most everything we own so that we could slow travel the world. We take you along on our adventures each and every Thursday. We share things like Airbnb tours, hotel tours, grocery hauls, places we visit, just to name a few. We always put links to all the places we visit and where we stay in the description box below, so check that out. And this week you can find us in Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
After trips to a couple of convenience stores here in Phnom Penh, this is what we've got for beer tasting Cambodia. We've got three from the Anchor. Well, this is like Anchor Smooth. It's a different kind of Anchor. It's not Anchor Watt, but it was at the store, so we bought it. Then we have the Anchor. We have the Anchor Sky, which is a wheat beer. We've got two from the Cambodia brewery, the Premium Light. Botanic, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. We got a Premium Light, and then one of their other beer brands here, a Light Crud. I just picked that up kind of quickly. I didn't even know what it was. And then a Hung Mun. So that's what we were able to find within about a 5-minute walk of our Airbnb here in Phnom Penh. Let's start tasting. We're going to start with the Anchor varieties, one of which is like the boat anchor, and two of them are like the Anchor Watt. We did double check. The boat anchor is actually apparently a Singapore original beer. So much like we did with the Tiger in Vietnam, we're going to go ahead and lump Anchor from Singapore into Cambodia for today's testing. Interestingly, this is a legit pull top. I haven't seen one of these since I was a kid. Ooh. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And that's what you get. Yeah, this is gonna be yours.
Well, it might go down the drain if it's
It's
that
not
good.
that bad.
Okay, so my turn to try the premium quality Anchor Smooth. We bought these beers warm and they're not quite cold, so we may have to put them in the freezer or wait until tomorrow to actually complete the beer tasting because, yeah, it's not cold, but it actually tastes okay. I can drink it.
You got it. Now we're going to look at the Anchor. As in the Anchor Watt, we got the, I guess this is the original, it doesn't say, or if it does, it's because I can't read it. And then we have the Anchor Sky, which is apparently a wheat beer, so we are led to believe. No more pull tabs. We're now back to pop tops. And I guess what? It's a lager. It looks like a lager. Tastes like a lager. It's pretty decent. It's much better than the Anchor from Singapore, that's for sure. Here.
My turn. The 30-minute break to put the beer in the freezer was well worth it. They are at least now cold. I actually like the Anchor better than that one, so you can have this, and then I guess we're going to fight over the Anchor Sky. Going to let me start the tasting first this time. The Anchor Sky, which says light and smooth premium beer, so hopefully it lives up to the hype. I bet you it looks the same color as all of the other beer. It does. Might be a little brighter. It tastes better than the original. It's okay. It really is very, very mild. Like, there's nothing offensive about it, but there's nothing good about it either. So I'll let you give it a try and see if you agree.
So for the Anchor Sky testing, yeah, that's about as light and smooth and as bland as you can be. I would call this
Stephanie's
Cambodian-
beer.
I'll take it. I'd call it Cambodian Michelob Ultra.
Yeah, no, it's Stephanie's beer.
It's watered down. Yeah. Okay. We are now going to do the Cambodia beers. We have the Premium and the Light. These are both pull tabs, which I'm pretty excited about because that was cool. The last pull tab we did happened to be the anchor, the boat anchor, not the anchor wad. I didn't like it. Stephanie thought it was fine. She dumped it down the drain while we were off camera. So anyway, the anchor, not good.
Well, let's clarify. I drank 3/4 of it before I dumped it.
Let's clarify. You were not very smart. You should have just dumped it. Well, that's what you do.
I hate wasting a beer. It's like sacrilegious.
It was like 80 cents. Okay, Cambodia Premium. Is it better than boat anchor? That's the goal.
Pour it in the cup. Pour it in the cup.
Pour it in the cup. Guess what? It looks like the boat anchor. It looks like all of them.
We might not like Cambodian beer.
Yeah, it's not that great. I mean, I think it's better than boat anchor, but it's not better than anchor wad. How about that?
Okay, fair enough.
Okay, here you go.
My turn to try Cambodia. I don't like it.
So you can drink 3/4 of it and dump it.
Yeah. It has a bad aftertaste. Like it has an aftertaste that kind of lingers a long time. Like the initial flavor is kind of okay, but then it just has an aftertaste. So that's why I don't like it. You can have it. So Garrett's letting me start, and I'm going to start with the Cambodia Light. And as Garrett mentioned, he hadn't seen a pull tab in a long time, and I haven't opened one in just as long, so that's kind of cool. Got it stuck on my finger. It'll be all right though. Let's see if I like this one better than the other one. It looks the same. I didn't pour it very well. There's too much of a head on there. I can drink it. I'll put it off until later in the evening after several beers because it's not that great. It's not that bad. I will say I would not buy this again.
All right, so I will give the Cambodia Light a try. Yeah, it's okay. It's like Stephanie said, it's acceptable. If I was out at a restaurant and it was all they had, and I had to get it with my pizza, I'd get it. If I went to a store and there was options, nah, probably not, but it's okay. All right, next, we're just gonna do the Hung Mun. It's a Cambodian beer. Don't know much about it. Does have a cool pull tab.
Pull tab.
Pull tab.
Ooh,
It gives a nice pop
Yeah, it does.
before you pull it.
Hey, it looks kind of like a Pilsner.
Yeah, maybe a little bit darker, but yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it's not great. I think it's going to be mine. I'm pretty sure it is, but here, I'll let you try it.
Okay, thanks. My turn to try Hung Mun. No, it is his. I don't even want a second sip.
I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next Thursday.